Hello my friends! In this video I'm going to talk about Java break and continue statements. You've already seen the break statement used in an earlier tutorial in this course. It was used to jump out of a switch statement. The break statement can also be used to jump out of a loop. Let's take an example that stops the loop when I is equal to 4. For example, this is a for loop, int I equal to 0. This is the initial condition. The condition here, the stopping condition, I is less than 10, and I plus this, the increment. And the way you increase I, it's by I plus plus 1, 1. If I is equal to 4, then you need to break through this loop. System.out.println I. If I remove this this condition, let me comment it, I'll get this output, the numbers from 0 to 9. If I uncomment this and let me keep it, this is the condition, it only prints the numbers from 0 to 3. What happens? Starts from 0, print out the I equal to 0, I is not equal to 4, I number equal to 1 now, it's less than 10, yes, it's equal to 4, no, it will print I, which is 1. I is increased by 1, no, I equal to 2, I equal to 2, 2 less than 10, no, it will continue. So if I equal to 4, 2 is not equal to 4, so it will not execute this code. And so on until reaching 4. I now equal to 4, 4 less than 10, yes, so I will execute this code. If I equal to 4, yes, 4 equal to 4, then the break condition or break statement will be executed. Okay, this is the breaking. This is how we break from a loop using the break statement. The continue statement breaks one iteration in the loop. If a specified condition occurs and continues with the next iteration in the loop. For example, this will skips the value of 4. If I put here continue and run again, you see these are the numbers, but where is number 4? When it reaches I equal to 4, 4 less than 10, yes, it will execute this code of block. 4 equal to 4, yes, then continue. It will jump over and not execute the system.out.println. It will go up from this point and increase I by 1 and continue executing the code of the loop as normal. And this skips the execution of 4 I equal to 4 condition. Okay, so it will not print out the number 4. Okay, this is a very important note I should mention in order to understand why we'll use them later on in the next apps and the next projects and in complex things. Understanding complex things start by understanding the simple ones.